Hey. So the journey starts. Heading off to Kyankwanzi. I do not know whether Ugandans really know the importance of this retreat. But let me just share one thing. The 12th Parliament is a very, very important parliament in the history of Uganda. The purpose of this retreat is to ensure that the members of the incoming 12th Parliament get a real sense of what their responsibility is. That they are the ones going to bridge so many gaps. I'm excited to go to be meeting them. Many people think it's about the speakership. The retreat is not about the speakership. Of course, the members of the 12th Parliament are the Electoral College. But beyond electing a speaker, they need to know that they are the National Assembly. They represent Ugandans. It's my expectation that the next speaker will ensure that the members are not just present in the House. In other words, they don't just have a seat, but that they also have a voice. But more importantly, that voice will be heard. So let's go and see how it goes. I'm very optimistic, and I encourage all the members of the 12th Parliament to be part of this retreat. People of experience, starting from the President to experts in the field of economics, media, technology, and even agriculture, security, diplomacy, all of them will be there. So for many of us, this is going to be a refresher course, but the world has changed a lot, so I'm also expecting to learn new things.
The boss man himself.
The members of the 12th Parliament knew how important they were. They would take their responsibilities very seriously. Have you ever heard the person who said that if the crested crane knew how valuable it was, it would not live in a wetland? That is my challenge to the 12th Parliament. You see, the crested crane doesn't know that it is really so valued. So, if the crested crane knew, it would be living in State House. Nobody would chase it. It would be parked in Parliament. It would be in the Supreme Court. But because it is not aware, so this retreat to me is about a new consciousness among the members of Parliament, that beyond being elected as members of Parliament, they are the ones who are going to design the future of Uganda. In other words, they are going to play the role of a midwife. See, a midwife is very important. A midwife brings new life. And that's a serious stuff. Thank you very much.
Most welcome.
I'm ready to travel.
Yes. So
okay, the same members are boarding. Examine please.
Even me, will now follow you.
So far, so good. The credit goes to the NRM secretary.